Welcome to the first video of the YouTube channel. I'm Tyler, also known as Cardi Trades. I'm pretty much going to be doing a market recap of what I saw today. I did not take any trades, nothing if aligned with my entry model, so today was one of those days where I stayed patient and preserved capital while I could. But yeah, I'm pretty much going to be starting off from the weekly. We are pretty much bullish on all time frames. One thing I do want to spot out is that we are inside this daily bearish fair value gap here. End up forming a bullish fair value gap on the daily. This is pretty much a telling story of where price wanted to go. So you can see we respected this. So going into Wednesday and Thursday, we are bullish. You can see that we pretty much hit all-time highs on ES today. But yeah, I'm pretty much going to go over what I saw. As you guys can see, pretty much respecting all bullish P rays. You can see that ES created relative equal highs going into the morning session. So pretty much, this manipulation down. SMT, you are to be bullish going into 10 a.m. The reason I did not take any trades, mostly because we inversed this 1 hour. Yes, I'm still bullish, but for a better, confident entry, I wanted 10 a.m. to sweep 9 a.m. low. Eventually forming possibly a CRT, making this to draw liquidity, but we did not get that. I'll pretty much show you guys what I wanted to see. You guys can see 10 a.m. pretty much opened right here. I wanted to see a sweep of this low, followed by a break of structure, fair value gap, unicorn, boom. But we did not get that, so I pretty much stayed patient today. Long, obviously, this draw liquidity is very strong. ES, when you guys look at the charts a lot, pretty much from memory and screen time, you guys are able to see that ES does not like to stay or not like to leave equal highs or relative equal highs. So this was a very good draw liquidity. But yeah, you're pretty much looking for longs. ES does have a better target, being all-time highs. But if you are to look for longs, NQ is a better option because it's a stronger pair. ES made a lower low, while NQ, yes, we did sweep out this low, but the SMT occurred right here. We did not go this low on NASDAQ, so yes, longs would be a lot better on NQ. For my entry model, I pretty much look for a breaker block, which is pretty much like the last up close or down close candle on the series of down close or up close candles that creates the SMT. It really wouldn't be up till here, and that's when the trade is invalidated because this is they drop liquidity. But yeah, you can see we end up inversing this 5-minute fair value gap. The only thing about inverses that I don't like is RR. Yeah, like it's confident, but with my trades, I don't really like to look for RRs less than 2. At least I need 1.5 RR. Go into the 3-minute, same story. You can see you're pretty much chopped. Low bull flag if you're a retail trader. And one thing I do like to teach a little bit is quarterly theory. That is pretty much when we have 8:30 news. 10:30 is X profile, which is either continuation or reversal. This is pretty much a continuation because we are still bullish. So look what happened at 10:30. Literally just ran all the way up. So this is a very good time. But yeah, I didn't have an entry model going into today. I just stuttered a little bit. My bad. But yeah, I don't really see much what I could have done with breakers. I need SMT. So yes, this is sponsored by that. My breaker would pretty much be possibly this, which you can see that we pretty much revisited. We had no really displacement that I like to see personally. I guess this could have worked right here, but I don't mind missing out on trades that I'm not really comfortable in. This was another unicorn entry right here. There's just no fair value gap, no real displacement. So I'm fine with sitting out. You can see ES, like it's just like, what are we doing? But there's always better days to come. Today was a day of capital preservation. Me being patient, I'm not in a rush to pass these evals. I am going to activate 3 more tomorrow, making it 5 total. But yeah, thank you guys for tuning in to the market recap. Like I said, I didn't have any trades today, so. But at the same time, I'm still gonna annotate and show, what I see, so you guys can interpret it and learn from it. But pretty much going into tomorrow, what I want to see, we did take out all-time highs, so we can slow down a little bit. But we end up inversing this daily fair value gap. We pretty much consolidated Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. We have news on Thursday and Friday, which should pretty much push price up. We have low resistance liquidity on NQ, so pretty much draw of liquidities will be this high, this high, this high, this high, this high. But yeah, we pretty much should be respecting bullish periods, so I wouldn't want to see price come below here. I think we'll respect this order block and eventually go higher. But yeah, that's pretty much what I see going into tomorrow. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you haven't already, join the free Discord. I'll be posting it down in the description, as well as me and Ashton, my business partners, other links that we do have. But yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. Obviously, if you guys are here, this is the beginning of 1%, the movement that me and Ashton are going to be taken over with. But yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning in. You guys have an amazing rest of your guys' day, and see you guys in the next video.